Find 745 minus 361 and use any strategy. Show your work. So I'm going to show you that second strategy that we learned, just subtracting the hundreds, tens, and ones. If you used a different strategy, that's totally fine, and then as long as you get the same answer that I have, it'll be correct. So we have 745. Right here we have 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 1 1. So first we need to take away our hundreds. So we have 700 minus 300. So I'm going to write this. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we'll put a 4 here, and then our 4 and our 5 stay the same. So now my new number right now is 445. So now we're going to take away our tens. We have 6 tens. So we need to take 445, subtract 60. So here I did the 445 minus 60. Now notice my hundreds change. The reason why is if I have 4 tens here and 6 tens here, I can't take 6 tens away. So I had to take one of my hundreds and essentially make this 14. So now I'm doing 14 minus 6 equals 8. And because I had to take one of those hundreds away, this turns into the 3. So we have 385. My ones place stays the same. Now we need to take away our ones. So we're just going to take away 1 from 385. So you can see here I took 385 that I got from here. I took away the 1 that I got from here, and I now have 384. So as long as you got the answer 384, no matter what method you chose, it is correct.